So happy morning, guys. Yesterday we have discussed about what the Indian economy on the eve of independence. Okay. So are you all there, guys? Can you able to hear me? Can you able to see the what
Yes, sir, screen.
document in your screen? Yes. Okay. So next one is what happened during the British period. Okay. So I think we have discussed from. We need to start from during the British rule. What happened? During the British rule, the economic policies pursued by the colonial government in India were concerned more with the protection and promotion of their own economic interest than with the development of Indian economy. Their policies brought a fundamental change in the structure of Indian economy. They transformed the country into supplier of raw material and consumer of industrial products from Britain. Okay, so what they have done during the colonial period, they started developing their own country's economy. So they conquered India. Usually, that will be usually that is the practice. Okay, once one country conquered another country, they will take all their wealth for their purpose. Okay, this is what happened from ancient period. As the same thing they did in India also with the British people. So what happened? They have taken all the wealth resources from us. Okay, and they started developing their economic. But what happened? Our economy, India become the very poor country, and we struggle like anything. Anyhow, so meanwhile, what they have done? So we have all the raw materials, right? Raw materials. So even for like shirts, pant, cotton will be the raw material. So India have a lot of raw material. So what they have taken, then they have taken raw material from us. Okay, that they made India as a supplier of raw material. Okay, and what they have done, they took all the raw materials from India to London, and there they have manufacturing unit and industries, and they will make it as a goods. For example, they will take all the cotton இங்கிருந்து காட்டன் லண்டன் போகும். There they will manufacture t-shirts, pants, trousers, dhotis. And what they will do, they will sell it from Britain to India. So price பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா ஒன்றுக்கு 4 மடங்கு இருக்கும். So if we need to buy that dhoti, means example, if it is normally 100 rupees in India, but when now that 100 rupees dhoti, they have made it into 400, 500 rupees. Okay, only rich people can buy the commodities and the Mari situation of Matita. Fine. So low level of national income per capita. So this is national income per capita. Okay, what is national income per capita? Each and every individual's income. That is what we have studied in macro chapter 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. National income. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Boys, girls, are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the economic condition of a nation can be judged with the data of national income and per capita income. Yes or no? So how we can call US what the superpower country? Because if we take the top 10, if we just top 10 richest people in the world, 8 people belongs to American. Okay, only one from America, that is India. Not only India, from Asian continent, that is Mukesh Ambani, and another person from France. So out of 10, 8 members belong to America. That means all the Americans, they might be rich. Okay, how they will be rich? That by their income. So even I have shared you one country, right? Nauru அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு country பத்தி நான் உங்களுக்கு share பண்ணிருந்தேன். Do you remember Nauru? They made their country's economy rich by selling birds shit. Do you remember? Hello. Boys, are you all there? Girls? Pravi, just pass it, pass பண்ணுங்க.